Hi creators! In this video we are going to see how to create a double exposure effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, import these images. You can use any images of your choice. I will provide the link of these images in the description. The background is already removed from this image. Double-click to place the image. Import the second image. Before placing the landscape image, reduce its opacity and match the position to the image beneath it. Then bring back its opacity to 100%. Double-click to place the image. By pressing Ctrl or Command key on your keyboard, click on the model layer. This will make a selection. Now go to Landscape layer and create Layer Mask. You can see it has created a silhouette effect of the image. Click on the model layer and duplicate it by pressing Alt or Option key on your keyboard, and drag it to the top. Change its mode to lighten. Create a layer mask. Change its foreground color to black. And select the brush tool. Brush out these areas. Reduce the flow and go to this layer mask. Make sure the foreground color is black, and brush out these areas in order to reveal some parts. Again go to the top layer, select Layer Mask, reduce its opacity, and brush out some more parts. Now duplicate this layer. And delete its layer mask. And apply layer mask. Press Ctrl-I on your keyboard to invert the layer mask. Reduce the flow and opacity. Make sure the foreground color is white, and brush some of the areas outside the image. Select the background layer. Go to Adjustment layer and select Solid Color. Now sample the color from the image, and click OK. Now select the top layer, and apply solid color. Change its mode to multiply. And reduce its opacity. Finally press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E in Windows, or Command-Option-Shift-E in Mac. This will create a copy of all the visible layers. Now go to Image, Adjustments, and select Desaturate option. Change its mode to Soft Light. and reduce its opacity. This helps to create color balance on the image. Now the image is ready to export. Thanks for watching. Share this video to your creative friends. Subscribe for more videos.